my friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you coming back to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix and I'm always so excited to see what is in my Stitch Fix. I love my stylist who's always good about picking out my requests and things off of my Pinterest. I've been trying kind of out a little bit of a different format of just pull it out, very basic first impressions, and then we'll do the try on and then I'll give you all the info at the end. So let's go ahead and dive into that. The box and get down to it, but like I said, I'll give details about the service at the end, and that way those of you who want to know about it can stick around. Ooh, looks like I got some shoes in this one. So let's start with the shoes, because let's be honest, that's one of the most exciting things is shoes. Okay, so looks like we have kind of a light, oh, I like these. I like these a lot. A light gray shoe, some perforation here on the front, though it looks like it doesn't really go all the way through. Super cute. Love those. Those would probably be too expensive for me, but just by looking at them, I love them. Bundle. Oh, I see yellow. Yellow is like an underutilized color, I feel like. It's just a cute thing. Okay, so we have this blouse with this kind of window pane pattern to it, a gray window pane pattern. And I love blouses like this. I got one in a different box before and I was super excited about it, and then immediately I lost a button and couldn't find a matching one, and it is what it is. So I am hopeful that this will work for me. Ooh, this is soft, super soft. Love this. Yellow cardigan. This is just a beautiful spring summery cardigan, but it is just so soft. I love this. I hope this is affordable. I want to keep it. I'm really liking my box so far. I really have just the best stylist. Okay, then we have this dress. It's like a twill type dress, short sleeves, some pockets here in the front, V-neck-ish, you can see that, so super cute there. And then this reminds me of the lace skirt I got from them last time, but this is less of a pencil skirt and more of like a mini type skirt, but that would make it a better band type skirt, so I like that a lot. Burgundy, love burgundy. So, alright, I absolutely love these pieces and I can't wait to try them on. Let's do this. First up, we have the skirt, blouse, and booties. So, I love these booties. I really, really like them. They're actually DV8, which I think was the same brand as my last Stitch Fix, and they were $99 in my last Stitch Fix. So this does not bode well for the price of these, but I really, really like these, and I've been kind of wanting some gray booties for a while, so we'll see how much they cost. The skirt I like. I love burgundy. I like that it is kind of a shorter skirt because I think it might serve as a band skirt one of these days, but I don't know. I don't know that I'm like just like super stoked about it. So as always, I love hearing your guys' opinions. Here I am. Probably be better aiming this at a wall than an amp, but I'll just kind of move around so you can see how things look. Can you see me now? Okay, sorry. The blouse, I like it. It's see-through, so I should have worn something underneath it. That's fine. I could wear a cami underneath it. I like it. I didn't know that I put it on and was like, yes, I love this, but I like it. Here, let me pull it out a little bit so you can see it. Just obviously I'll probably always tuck this in, but yeah, I like it. I have zero complaints about it, and I wear this type of shirt when I can because it's great for work, for throwing a color blazer or cardigan over. So I don't know, I like it. Let's give you a close-up. Don't mind the see-throughness of it. 360. Okay, let's get the dress and cardigan on next. Really excited to try those. I'm in trouble with this box. There's a lot here that I really like. So this cardigan, it feels so great, so comfortable. It's a really great fit, perfect fit. So that always makes me so happy. And it's bright yellow. So who doesn't like that? And I love a bright yellow with like a black and white combo. So I actually love this with the dress. And I don't know, I think it's cute, but I mean, I don't know, yellow's not everybody's color. So what do you guys think? How does yellow look on me? I don't know, might not be my color, but I really like it. So that's a winner. The dress is super cute, fits perfect, you know, fits great up top, fits, you know, not too snug around here, so that's always great. It's a good business type dress, so I think that's cute. And one of the issues is I have, basically what happened is, I think this is kind of like open, like maybe not secured, so like a black thread came out from this V here. So that's obviously a concern that would be an ongoing issue, but I'm not too concerned because I'm probably not going to keep this. I have a ton of business type dresses, so I don't know that I need this. I like it and I know I'd wear it, but I just don't know that I need it. So, but it's super cute. I don't know, we'll see what the prices of stuff is and what you guys have to say, and I will get this video posted for sure before I check out. So your guys' feedback will be greatly appreciated. Again, I'm loving the booties. Just wanted to mention that again. I have pale winter legs. I can't wait for summer to come. So, all right, let's go over brands, prices, the service, all that next. All right, now the part where we talk about prices, decide what to keep. I'll give you brief info on the service and a couple of changes to the service. So first of all, Stitch Fix styling service, where they send you, obviously it's a styling service, they send you 5 items based off of your profile and whatever requests you have for that particular box. You can set up a subscription for every 2 to 3 weeks, every month, quarterly, on demand, things like that on 2 to 3 weeks because I want as many boxes as possible. There's a styling fee of $20 that does get applied to anything you purchase unless they offer you the style pass, which is $49 a year, but that also gets applied to anything you purchase. So yay for that. So they give you 3 days to decide what to keep and send back what you don't want to keep, but they do let you extend the deadline, which is awesome because I pretty much always do that because I'm not very timely with my boxes. So I love that feature. Plus I like to extend the deadline so I can get your guys' feedback on stuff before I make my final decision because I'm not a great decision maker and you guys help me with that. A couple of things with the service. So they a while back, they set it up to where you can, some of these pieces you can actually buy in different colors. So if I buy a cardigan, then later on I can go out to their site or app. I'm assuming app, I just go out to their site and you can see if they have other colors available and you can just on the spot order that. So if you love something, you can get in a few different colors. And then a new feature, which I am excited about, is on your style card, you know, you have these great outfits. Like this one here, great outfits. And what they do is, they don't seem to be doing this for everything you've purchased, and so I'm not entirely sure, you know, if all outfits will kind of have this functionality available, but you can actually click on them and they'll tell you the price and brand and you can order them. So I complained before because I look at these outfits and I'm like, dude, I want that jacket. So now you can actually buy that jacket. Now one of the things I noticed as I was clicking through is while the main things they send you are, you know, somewhat within your price range, that doesn't mean that the stuff they suggest that you pair it with is within your price range. I know that I saw just a great like layering piece type shirt and I was like, oh, I want that so bad. It was like $100. So, because it, you know, it was a great brand name, I don't remember what it was. So that's the warning is, you know, the stuff on your style card is not necessarily as affordable as the pieces that you want to order, but I think that's great and I'm gonna start, you know, going through and checking out, especially shoes and jackets. It's like, I love how they style that, and I love now that I have the chance to actually purchase some of these items. So I'm excited about that. All right, a lot of talking. Let's get into this. Oh, one more thing about the service. If you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off. So that's a great feature. And let's go through this. All right, so let's start with the booties. These are the DV8 Jaci heel booty. Again, there's close up. I love these, but as I expected, because I had a DV8 in my last box, $99. I mean, I love them. I really do. I really like kind of this scrunch on the front. I think that's a super cute detail. I just don't pay $100 for shoes. I just don't. I'm completely out of credit now, so that's just straight out of my pocket. I just don't know if I can do it. Okay, we'll make a decision later. So the skirt, this is the by Skyzer Blue. This is the Rihanna faux wrap velvet skirt as $58. I liked it, but I didn't love it, and I think there's other pieces here that'll probably get prioritized ahead of that. So this I loved. What are you? This is by Mix by 41 Hawthorn. This is the, I'm gonna pull up the tag because it gets kind of cut off. This is the Halls Brush Knit 2-pocket cardigan, and it is $44. So I'd love to keep this, again, unless everybody decides that yellow is not my color. I loved it over that tweed dress, yellow with a black and white. I just think it's so cute. So I'd love to keep that. This is also by Mix by 41 Hawthorn, and the name is cut off on my sheet as well. So this is the Clyff button down blouse, and this is $44. So I'm debating on this one because this type of piece will get used a lot in my work wardrobe and maybe just daily life. I mean, it looked cute with a pair of jeans, right? So debating on that. Then we have, this is by KARL Lagerfeld Paris, which when I pulled the dress out, I saw the brand there and I was like, okay, this is gonna be expensive. This is the Emerson Tweed Pearl Detail dress, and it is $108. So I liked it, but I didn't $108 love it. And then I again had concern over this string coming out and that being a recurring issue, though there does look to be a good seam on it. So that's probably just a one-off. And at that price point and this brand, I'm assuming it is a good quality. So that was just a one-off type thing. So guys, I don't know what to do. There's really kind of, I'd say these 3 pieces here, the booty, the blouse, and the cardigan that I am considering keeping, but I will not make a decision until I hear all your guys' lovely opinions. So that's it. That's the video. I always say that I will update the description with what I decide to keep when I make the decision. I don't always do that, and I apologize because that's probably annoying if you go back and watch some of my older videos to say, what did you keep? So I'm really gonna do it this time. So once I make a decision, I will update the description so you guys know what I kept. I forgot to tell you the price of the entire box is $353. The buy all discount is 25% off. It is, which takes off $88.25. And so the box total is $264.75. That was an expensive box. And I don't know if they're sending me some more expensive stuff because I have kind of in the boxes bought some of the more expensive, like one piece, but it's one of the more expensive pieces. So now they're like, ooh, Jen's willing to pay more. So I'm not sure if that's why they're doing that, but I get it. I mean, I'm willing to invest in some pieces if I love them enough. So I did notice when I took my price sheet out, there was a sticker on it that said VIP, and I don't know that they know that I have a YouTube channel. I mentioned it once, maybe forever ago, and so I'm not sure that that's what that's about. I think it's just like, this girl's spent a lot of money with us, so she's a VIP now. It is fixed number 33. So anyways, I'm chatty today, sorry guys. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe below. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.